Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mercury Pro XS versus standard outboard engines. We'll dive into the core distinctions that set these powerhouses apart, helping you make an informed decision for your vessel. Understanding these differences is crucial, whether you're a competitive angler or a casual boater. Let's explore what makes each engine unique and how they perform on the water. When it comes to raw power, Pro XS engines are tuned for maximum performance, often delivering up to 5% more horsepower from the same block. They boast a higher wide-open throttle RPM range, typically between 5,800 and 6,200, compared to the standard's 5,000 to 5,500. This translates to faster hole shots and impressive top speeds, making them ideal for competitive situations. Beyond raw power, the Pro XS line incorporates specialized features. You'll often find a high-performance gear case designed to minimize drag, along with unique engine calibration for a more aggressive power curve. These engines are built with robust components to withstand the demands of high-speed operation. Standard models, however, emphasize reliability, quieter operation, and often include features like adaptive speed control for consistent RPMs regardless of load. So, which engine is right for you? If you're chasing tournament wins or crave exhilarating speed, the Pro XS is your go-to, despite its slightly higher price point. For everyday boating, cruising, or general fishing, a standard Mercury outboard offers exceptional reliability, fuel efficiency, and a smoother ride. Evaluate your priorities. Is it raw performance or a balanced, comfortable experience on the water?
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.